Okay guys, hello again. So in this tutorial I will show you the first part of transforming your AutoCAD design into a SWIM application. So in this example, from the survey EGL plan, existing ground level plan that had been given before, we have highlighted, and as you can see, the value of elevation for each point of survey has been shown, where you can plan your work. And then the plot of each house and each utilities and playgrounds, example in the kindergarten, has been set out. So basically you plan out your plot for each requirement, and as you can see in this example, actually is different from your requirement that has been given in this in your example. So I strongly advise you to not follow this example, because it is for the previous cohort. So once you have outlined all the plot levels, so you can plan your drainage, where you want to put your sump, where you want to put your drain, and how they are connected. And in the end, all of the conduits or drainage will be connected to the main drainage, which is located at the roadside of the main road Jalan Padang Besar Utara. So the first thing is you need to point the your proposed sump, where they will be connected to drain. So in this example, it's a very simplified example, because you won't be having a drain running across a playground, or at the middle there, or at the end of the housing area, or even crossing the commercial lot. So you need to plan your drainage alignment correctly, so that it will be practical and can be built. So after you have put your you have assigned the location for each sump, you can delineate your subcatchment area. So you divide into few subcatchment, so that each sump will collect the designated amount of rain from the designated subcatchment. It's basically depends on your ground level, your proposed ground level. So how you plan the water will be flowing. So in this case, it is flowing from the screen left to the right, from the upper left to the lower right. So that is the proposed ground level for this example. So basically it depends on you, it depends on your existing ground level. So you want to minimize the amount of earthwork being done. So it's up to you if it is practical to do from right to left. It's up to you. There should be a strong justification based on the existing ground level and your positioning of your residential plot. So in this video, we have divided the subcatchment into 5 subcatchment. So it is advisable for you to use a different layer for dividing your subcatchment, so that you can turn it off. As in this example, you can turn off all other layers, so you can only see your subcatchment delineation. And then you can connect your sump, which is in this example is very simplified. You connect your sump and then measure your distance between the two connecting sumps, because this value is important in designing, in modeling using the SWIM 5.1. So you can also put a drainage, you can line a drainage between sum to sum and put sum on a smaller subcatchment. Depends on your division of your subcatchment. So in this case, very simplified. Sum is basically a line at the bottom of the development area, and then due to the size of this plan, you need to enlarge the size of text. And then after that, in this example, I use AutoLeaps to measure the area of subcatchment just by pointing it. So in this example, the leaps can be found in e-learning, so can download it and upload as in the AutoLeaps tutorial. So to activate the AutoLeaps, you need to type AT, and then you will be prompted to assign the starting number, and then place the location of the table, and then select the area that need to be calculated. In the end, you can have an area table of 5 subcatchment, each with its designated area that will be used. We will use it in the SWIM 5.1 application. The value given here is the value in millimeter square, so it convert to hectare. So easily you can use it. You can find the conversion value on the internet. Then once you finish everything, and you can publish, you can plot the drawing into JPEG format, so you can upload it into SWIM 5.1 for your tracing work later on. Okay guys, that's all for now. Thank you.